Hey, it's Ty with Credit Suite, and in this business credit funding tip, we're going to talk a little bit more about how your consumer FICO scores really work. So, new credit, or the amount of new credit you're applying for, accounts for 10% of your overall credit score. Okay, so new credit's not always a bad thing. However, opening new accounts can hurt your credit score, especially if you're applying for a lot of accounts at the same period of time. So, this aspect of your score accounts for how many accounts you applied for recently, how many new accounts you actually opened, how much time has passed since you applied for that credit, how much time has passed since the account was open. So it even hurts you if they see that you have inquiries that are not resulting in open accounts. So not having a lot of inquiries can hurt you, and it can also hurt you even more when those accounts don't result in actually getting approved. Now, it does take into account shopping for mortgages or loans. So that means that all inquiries from auto lenders or from mortgage lenders count as one inquiry when it comes to your overall credit score.